Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we're making a classic club sandwich with garlic aioli or garlic mayo sauce from scratch. Here I have my 2 boneless breasts of chicken that I have filleted and pounded to flatten and even out. I've then patted them dry and sprinkled my dry ranch seasoning mix on them. And if you don't have ranch seasoning, just mix together the following seasonings that I've written down here and sprinkle them all over the chicken breasts front and back and leave them to marinate in those spices while we make our garlic aioli. Starting with 1 egg yolk, add a bit of lemon zest, a half a teaspoon of garlic paste, smoked paprika, salt and pepper, give it a mix and then start pouring in the olive oil and mix again. Here I've used chili infused olive oil for a small zing, but you can use regular olive oil as well. Keep adding in more olive oil and blending until you get a thickened creamy consistency just like mayonnaise. Now I'm also making a similar flavored sauce for those who don't want to deal with raw eggs. Mix together about 1.5 tablespoons of mayo, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard or any mustard you have, 1/4 teaspoon of minced garlic, salt and pepper and paprika, some lemon zest and a juice of half a lemon, and as usual give it a taste to see if you'd like to add anything else. Now that I have my sauces out of the way, I'm going to start toasting 4 slices of bread in a toaster, and as for the bread slices that are going to be in the middle of the club sandwich, I'm just going to flatten them a bit so that the club sandwich won't have so many thick layers and won't be difficult to bite into. Then I'm going to cook the bacon strips to the doneness that I like, and I like them quite crispy. In another pan, I'll cook the eggs into an omelette. Some people prefer having a sunny side up or fried egg in their club sandwich, but I went with the omelette choice instead. While the bacon and eggs are cooking, I'm going to start assembling my 2 sandwiches, spreading one with garlic aioli and the other one with the garlic mayonnaise. Since I'm eating the one with garlic aioli, I'm only going to add in lettuce, whereas for the other one I'm adding in lettuce and tomatoes, and make sure those are fresh so they have a good crunch to them. Once the omelette is done, cut it into a square to fit into your sandwich and add in the bacon once that's done too. Then add in the cheese slice for each sandwich, and as soon as your chicken is also done, place it in the sandwiches. And I like to give my sandwiches a nice press down with my hands just to make it a bit smaller and more compressed and easier to eat. If you think this is all overwhelming for you to do all at once, you could always grill the chicken a day before or at an earlier time and assemble the sandwich whenever you feel like having it. Also, this is one of those sandwiches that you can make ahead of time and pack in a lunchbox or for a picnic or for a day at the beach. From personally trying it out, the sandwich actually keeps really well in the fridge. You can have it the next day and it will still taste as delicious. I personally love it, and if you make this, I'm sure you're going to love it too. And as usual, thanks for watching and have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!